It's a movie. Red carpet, the lights going through me. Anytime I arrive, it's the new me. Real diamonds on my neck, that's groovy. Flashing lights. All these things come to me. Dressing price. All my rings got weight. You feel that? You feel that? Hey, you heard that? Classic.
Good day, everyone. My name is Aydin, part of a motorcycle club in Southern California. It's called Calipers. For today's reviews, we are talking about Saddlebags, which we have purchased for our Honda Rebel 1100cc 2024. Since we bought this bike, we have been in the market and looking to get new Saddlebags, and then always we had the challenge. If you are Rebel riders, you know, as usually is aftermarket is a big challenge to purchase the bags for these models. And then we were lucky to be linked with Vikings. They are making an awesome Saddlebags for different variety of motorcycles, including Rebels, as well as 300, 500, and 1100 cc's. As you can see, these bags are installed. This is my overall past 2 months review. I purchased these 2 months ago, and then we are reviewing and then giving you like 1,000 mile feedbacks on these bags. And ordering process, it was seamless, it was easy, straightforward, as well as easy to order. We received the package in less than I would say 4 to 5 days. Was delivered in the perfect packing, and then we have it installed since then. Installation process, it was very straightforward, it was very easy. It primarily took me I would say like less than 20 minutes to install both of the bags, and then yeah, it's easy to go. Installation process is very easy, straightforward. The bags are coming with 2 brackets, which is already provided by manufacturing. It comes with 2 screws in each side to connect your brackets to the fender, and then it's easy to install. Honestly, it did take less than 20 minutes for me to go through the entire installation process. Bags can be easily accessed from the sides, and easily you can lock them. They are 100% waterproof. That's a great opportunity if you guys are living in wet states and then you're driving a lot of time in the rain. These are absolutely waterproof. They're water resistant, waterproof as well. It comes with a lot of storage in it. The one of the things I would want to mention, that if you're looking for bags that you can put your helmet, or even if you're looking to put your heavy duty jackets or leather jackets, this does not gonna fit. But aside from that, it is an awesome and fantastic bags for every day-to-day activities. And then if you're like, you want to put your daily essentials inside the bag as well. Again, installation process, it was easy, it was quick. And then another advantage of these bags, these are quick mount, so easily you can unmount if you want to remove the bags. They can get locked from inside. It comes with 2 sets of the keys, one to lock the bag itself and the other one to lock the actual saddler to the brackets. So if you're living in areas that you don't feel safe leaving your stuff inside the saddler bags, and then you need something to get so you can be able to lock them easily, you can use these locks and lock the bags as well.